Now let's move on to audio, and really interesting audio. Now, the world of audio, a lot of people say, doesn't really move the needle at all. It's just pretty much where it is because the way sound is actually produced, it's still the fact that a speaker has to move air. That's all there really is about it. But there has been a lot of interesting things that have happened, some great innovation that has happened in the world of audio technology. And I'm going to start off with one, which to some people will be quite gimmicky, but I just like the look of it. I haven't heard it yet. And that is 360-degree sound. And Sony had a very, very interesting speaker. Lots more after that.
Clear has made a name for itself for making some of the best audio products in the market. A shining example of that has been their Flow 2 Bluetooth and headphones. But for a while now, this audio junkie brand has been flirting with the idea of smart speakers. And yes, it has finally made it happen. Clear Crescent has made its debut this year at CES. The first smart speaker by the brand Crescent name is inspired by the design language of the smart speaker. The Google Assistant powered speaker comes equipped with 8 full-range 40mm drivers and a pair of 3.3-inch woofers. A rather expensive smart speaker at $700, the Crescent also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, optical and Ethernet ports. Is designing audio speakers after desserts a trend now? Well, we say that because after Crescent, we have an Eclair audio device. LG this year revealed its latest Eclair soundbar. This pint-sized soundbar is 11.7 inch in size and definitely looks great on paper. The latest soundbar supports Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, which means you can expect it to pack a punch. Eclair also supports the 3.1.2 channel driver configuration, which basically means that the soundbar's height effects will be achieved through actual up-firing drivers rather than virtualization. LG's latest soundbar will also come with a subwoofer. So for the bass heads out there, this might be the audio device to look out for this year. Now, how can we leave behind good old JBL? The brand made some interesting announcements this year, but the one that stood out was its 5.0 multi-beam soundbar. At just over 27 inches, it won't fit the description of a compact soundbar, but hey, you do get Dolby Atmos. This multi-beam soundbar does not come with a wireless subwoofer, but rather packs in a set of 4 passive radiators to produce low-end bass. JBL claims that with its proprietary beam forming technology, this latest soundbar will be able to create a virtualized Dolby Atmos experience. Now, even though it is not a smart soundbar, it manages to pack in familiar features like Apple AirPlay and Chromecast. Perhaps the most noise in the audio segment was made by Sony this year. The brand announced an enhanced version of its 360-degree reality audio. Introduced back in 2019, this highly advanced audio format will change how we enjoy virtual performances. With the help of 360-degree reality audio technology, sound engineers will be able to place vocals and instruments anywhere in the 3D space. With headphones, Sony will be using head-related transfer functions to simulate the sound coming from different directions. However, if you own a pair of Sony headphones, you will be able to customize the transfer function according to yourself. Clearly, we are witnessing the next generation of audio experience making its debut.